Minecraft, Minecraft, we're gonna do some Minecraft. Yeah.
Ooh, a tree. Got some wood. Now I'm gonna go make a crafting table. I made a crafting table. Now I'm gonna go make a wooden sword. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look what I made, guys. Oh, a zombie! Die! I made a feather! Now let's go make some other stuff. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I've got a pickaxe. I'm gonna go mine. I'm gonna go back there. Look what I found. It's some dissipated supplies. I need to go there soon, or I might despawn. Ah!
Creeper.
A creeper! Ah! Ah! I lost health. Now I only have 1.5 hearts left. I need some food, or I might die. I'm healing myself.
Okay. We made a TV.
I'm mining now since I have full health and all that. Look what I found. It's iron. I found it down there. Now let's go craft stuff with it. Yeah, 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 yeah. What I made, this is an iron sword. Look at this. Oh! Oh!
I think he's dead. Let's go in and kill him. I'm taking your swords.
And that is how you die in Minecraft.